When you go to your blog page, you might see something like this, where on the blog page, it actually includes all of the content from those blog articles. You might not want that. You might want to just show the excerpt. So to change this, go to your custom options under appearance, customize, then under sparkling options and then content options, make sure that the show post excerpts option right here is checked. And for some reason with this theme, I had to uncheck it and then check it again and then save and publish before it only showed the excerpt. Even though it was checked initially, it was still showing the whole blog article and not just the excerpt. You also see another option right here for displaying comments on static pages. If you don't want comments on static pages like the About page or the Contact page, uncheck that. Typically, I just like having comments on my blog post pages. So that's just a quick tip on how to make sure your blog page only shows excerpts and not the full content.